My people, wonder shall never end. Things they happen, oh my people. Nothing when we know they hear. Oh. I don't know what it can they happen, whether na end time now we come there. Oh. When I see this beautiful lady, one I they see for my stream here. Na him papa, na him break him flower so. Na him papa, na him the wire and they give am woto. They chop the contus. Before we go touchlight this matter, my first greet Ona. Ona, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if na your first time when you take the across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my people. Una see this lady so one they see for my stream here. Na papa na the wire this lady so, and he can't give am belle. He born one, he born two, give him a papa. Not be small thing no. They come they ask and say how your body be if your papa they do you the thing, how you feel. He say he no feel anything, nothing. Say na him papa na him the hair na him break the flower so when woman dey now understand na him break am, na him dey go there, na him dey the peep they enter there, una understand. So and the village now come dey interview and they ask am, they come let am know say this thing when he with the papa they do, say na arrow, say na prohibited thing, say na abomination, na him dey do, and the one banish these people comot for the land. My people, I never see this kind of a thing before. Papa the wire pikin, he give am belle first, he give am second, he born pikin give am, both of them they live together. Things they happen. Whether na anytime now we come there, I no come understand. May not come be like say I too talk for inside this video. May na watch the video.
Loud. Queen Wunya Basia Basi. Yeah, but I don't know start upon Naija Bishop Makono. Nana again, I lie. And I'm only young man. Yeah, I jog a book on your breaking virgin. On your daddy breaking virgin. Louder. Umona came one of daddy. Ebo. Onye be ka ebo onye cross river ka ebu unu bi ka ebu unu bi ebe ka unu bi tata na nnobi
Santa Maria
unu bi na nnobi kwa ka local government di ya ha ide mmesa local government ka eme iji hapụ nna gị, ka eme iji hapụ nna gị n'ala gị onwe ha ekwensu ba gị ime ekwensu ba gị ime ihe akọwata ka ị na kọmpand unu bi na nnobi a Bendi boko n'ezie uru nnobi ebe ha ka unu bi ịma na ya alụ ka unu melu na Bible nnobi na-asọ ya nsọ na tata na ịbụ ndị White House unu ori ya ha ya dị na nnobi na tata na unu esi na nnobi wee megide wepụ na ịkọ na ọya ekwuru unu.
My people, share una don watch the video. No be small thing, no. No be small thing. Now they happen. No things really they happen. Papa the wire pikin, he give am belle first one, he give am second, he born pikin give am. They eat the same place, they train the pikin. God have mercy. God, waiting can't really they happen. If you want blow the trumpet, blow am home, everybody just waka out. Things really they happen. Now I want for leave now. Thank you guys for watching. I so much appreciate you guys. Guys, share this video. Bye bye.